They are going to have an addiction, right? But they didn't stop them, and he's trying to now sue the casino.
The US, they don't have the inheritance tax this year, so in other words, it's a good time to die.
This year. For a US person.
Okay, so what are the alternatives, since like the tax we cannot avoid, and then it's subject to a lot of the jurisdiction and the government, we cannot avoid. So what are the alternatives that people can plan ahead to mitigate tax?
Well, there are many alternatives today, and typically you might find this outside Malaysia.
Outside?
Yeah, that means you might go to a wealth management center like Singapore, or you might select a country from the offshore tax jurisdictions like the BVI who own and hold certain assets during a lifetime, and then also to consider the setting up of trust. And these trusts can be highly flexible to allow the family to continue to manage the investments of the trust, and also to allow the income to be split up in a way that will not get caught in all these unnecessary taxes. So, even things like foundations are going to be more prevalent in the next few years.
Okay, so in short, do you mean that will writing alone doesn't satisfy the complex need of the current situation and with the more diverse Malaysian family?
Yeah, I would say that the will is still very important.
Yeah,
it's a very key component of estate planning, because you're not going to give everything away during your lifetime. You still own certain assets, properties, and certain bank accounts in your own personal name. But there could be assets that you already put in place like a trust, offshore company. So basically, these structures will complement the will.
Yeah, complement the will. So you need to have a will and complement it with other structures, so that you have this something called tax efficiency. You try to mitigate the tax and thus reducing the tax cost and increase the return, right? Increase the profit. So yeah, this is a more proper estate planning. So if you have any questions or any comments on tax efficiency and wealth